Hey yo, welcome back to the channel. You know, I'm always on the lookout for new mods, stuff that's different than everything else that I'm seeing out there. And today I've got a product I'm going to show you and an install that we're going to do that's something new, something I haven't seen on a lot of Tacomas out there. It's actually because it's a newer product. I'm hoping it's going to add a little bit of good looks to it, and it's going to add some protection to my Tacoma. Let's do the install right now. All right, so we are going to do an install of the Tiger Auto Light cover. You can see it right there. Here's the first one. It's come really nicely packaged. A lot of bubble wrap, a lot of extra protection on it. But basically what we're doing is we are going to be installing this right over the outside of my tail light. So you can see right there, you know, I've just got the stock light. You can obviously the chrome on there. I'm not a big fan of the chrome. What this is going to do is not only is this going to add some protection to the outside of the light, it's going to black out a little bit of the outline of this tail light, and it's going to hide some of that chrome there, which is going to fit nicely with the design I've got going on this 2021 TRD off-road. All right, first thing you're going to want to do is open up that box that has all the hardware in it, get it all laid out. Now, I am laying this on my black bed mat, but luckily the bottom of the packaging came with this foam white mat. So this little foam pad, great to be able to lay out all of my hardware. That way I've got it all together. I can see what the different brackets are. I can see all the different pieces. Obviously I've got my 10 millimeter, which as you know is standard when you start removing stuff like this on the Tacoma. And then I've got the instructions. So once I've got everything laid out, now we're going to jump in. We're going to start by removing these two pieces here. And we're going to just pull off this headlight and get ready to do this install. All right, and if you look at the diagram, it kind of shows you which pieces go on which side. So I actually have laid it out exactly like that. Put the driver's side here, passenger side here, and then I started to lay out the hardware accordingly, just so that I do it now to make it a little bit easier on the install. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this bolt, and then we're going to remove this bolt down here. This is so that we can take off the actual tail light. We'll need to take it off in order to install the brackets that are going to hold the light guard in place. So you don't need to do this top one, just the bottom one. There are two on the bottom, you'll notice, but yeah, don't mess with that top one. You don't need to do anything with that. All right, next, now that we've released those bolts, we're just going to actually pull the light off. It does take a little bit of force, so you got to be like forceful but gentle. So I'm going to choose to not completely remove the light. You can do it, but this part is actually pretty quick. When you look at the brackets, there's two smaller ones and there's two bigger ones. Now they do have a little bit different shape, so you got to look at the diagram pretty closely, but basically what I'm doing is I'm just hooking it, if you can see that, on that pin, and then on this one, I'm just hooking it maybe on that pin, right? And then those are coming over like this. Now there are some other hardware pieces we're going to need to put on each of these. I actually think it's going to be easier if I put it on now, because now I'm going to put the light up in place, and then I'm going to get the other brackets attached. All right, so hard to do this with holding it and filming the camera and the light, but you're going to just get it back in place. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around, and where this hardware is going to go back in, I'm going to put these brackets. I've got the lower bracket. If you can see there, it's got a little bit of a triangle cut to it. And then I've got the upper bracket. If you can see, it's squared at the top before it's got that angle. That's the one that's going to go right here. So basically all I'm doing is I'm just adding this bracket over the top of the light. Then I'm going to put in the screw. Okay, one step I almost missed. So this is going to go inside. This part's going to be up against the light. So what they've done is they've included, if you can see, they've included this little foam piece that's going to go right on the inside there. That's to protect your light. So don't forget to put that on before you connect it. All right, brackets installed here and here. There's the ones installed up underneath. Brackets installed over the top, here and here. Now, these, if you can see, Kind of hard to see in there, but those are going to attach okay. These, they're going to need something added to them. So I actually just wait till they're on because I think it's easier. And then you can just clip these right over the top. One there, one there, one there. Then you got the one there. Hey, if this is the kind of content you like, and if you're enjoying this video, do me a favor, give it a like, hit subscribe. Let's keep going with this install. Final step is actually attaching the bracket. You can kind of look, make sure all of it looks okay. I already know I'm gonna have to do some adjusting, which is okay because I didn't tighten it all the way with that purpose in mind. And now you got to go in and screw in these little screws. Again, you got to do a little bit of wiggling with the brackets. Now, they do include an Allen wrench, little screwdriver. I didn't like it. I thought it was clunky at best, so I'm using my own. So we're going to go around and we're going to tighten these now. And that is it. Just like that. Now, there's a little bit of a gap, if you can see that, just a little bit. The bracket does touch in that one spot where we added that little foam piece, but and from the side you can still see that chrome a little bit, admittedly, but from the front, or from the back in this case, that's looking pretty dang good. All right, so it is crazy hot in my garage, but gosh darn it, we got this install done. You know, I'm a pretty novice to moderate installer, if I'm being honest, when it comes to mods on my truck. I haven't done a ton of things that require a lot of work. So this one was a little bit trickier just because I'd never pulled the light off before, figuring out where those brackets go. It took me a little bit of time. In full disclosure, I did the other side first to figure it out, and then went ahead and shot most of the video doing the driver's side. Hopefully this helps out. Go ahead if you want to check these out. I've got a link in the description below to Amazon. I do get a little small commission, but it doesn't cost you any money and it helps support the channel. As always, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.